Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry NCERT for JEE. First, let's outline a strategic approach to maximize your preparation. Begin by aligning the JEE syllabus with your NCERT textbooks, identifying crucial chapters. Next, prioritize these topics based on their historical appearance and weightage in the exam. Finally, develop a realistic and consistent study schedule to ensure you cover all necessary material effectively and without burnout. To truly master chemistry, focus on understanding the core concepts presented in NCERT. Don't just memorize, strive to grasp the why behind each principle. As you read, create your own concise notes, highlighting important formulas, definitions, and reaction mechanisms. This active learning process helps solidify your knowledge and makes complex topics much easier to recall during the exam. Effective problem solving is crucial for JEE success. Start by diligently working through every in-text and end-of-chapter question in your NCERT books. Once comfortable, move on to solving previous year JEE questions for each topic. This helps you understand the exam pattern and question types. Critically analyze any mistakes you make. This process reveals conceptual weaknesses and guides your further study, leading to significant improvement. Consistent revision is the cornerstone of retaining information. Regularly revisit all key concepts, important formulas, and reaction mechanisms. Incorporate full-length mock tests into your schedule to simulate actual exam conditions, helping you manage time effectively and reduce exam day anxiety. Remember, maintaining a positive attitude and staying consistent with your study plan are just as important as the material itself for achieving your JEE goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.